Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting up this diamond painting. This diamond painting will actually be my first all rhinestone diamond painting. That's, that's actually a full drill and not like a special shaped like partial. So I did buy this so that I could try out rhinestones and just see if I like how it looks, because I've seen pictures of other people's completed rhinestones and they don't, to me in the pictures, they don't look that like detailed compared to normal drills. But when I've done like my mandalas and things, the rhinestones like sparkle beautifully. So I'm hoping that it just doesn't translate well on camera, and in person it will be awesome. So this is the original image for this. It was a, it is a 30 by 40. There are 21 colors on this. I got this from AliExpress from store 326232. Yeah, weird name. But, oh, I did need to iron the canvas on this one, so, and I was able to flatten it out. So there are no DMC numbers in this. I don't know if rhinestones have their own numbers. So I just ended up writing out the symbols. One good thing is they're all letters and numbers, so it was pretty easy to do. So, yep, this will be on a time lapse. And oh, I'm going to use just the 28 container thing, since I figured there's 21 colors and hopefully they'll all just fit in here. All right, so I'll do this in a time lapse and say hi at the end of the video. Okay, I'm done. I ended up pretty much using all 28 containers, with even though there's only 21 colors. I was kind of afraid towards the end because there was a bunch of these ones that like barely have anything in the next one, and then this one I ended up filling it up more than I'm comfortable with, but I was running out of containers. I did notice, okay, so in the beginning when I was kitting it up, um, I saw that number 2, there was 2 labeled number 2, and I even went and checked, but they're completely different colors. And number 1, these 2 like these were in 3 different bags. These both said number 2. I'm not sure if you could tell, but this one is a much darker color and these 2 are much lighter. So I think there was a misprint, and these 2 are supposed to be number 1 both, and not this being number 2. So my strategy is I'm just gonna go use this first and then use this first and see which ones, like, for all I know, I'm not even gonna need to use that second one. But yeah, I was surprised that these 2 were both labeled number 2, and they're completely different colors, while these 2 match. So I'm assuming, yeah, that was just mislabeled, but we'll see. All right, there you go. Thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.